Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use our fully integrated environment, Fidelity, in short videos of a few minutes. In this video, I will show you how to create plots to post-process solutions. Plots can be created in the results analysis context once a solution is available, either when a solution is finished and the results are loaded, as you can see here by the rotating wheel, or when a solution is actively running with the co-processing activated. You can create XY charts to show the value of a quantity along a user-defined line, along a surface border, or at the intersections of a cutting plane and surfaces. First, the view needs to be split to add the plot widget. For more information on splitting views and adding widgets, refer to the corresponding video. Let's click on the double arrow on the top right of the 3D view and split the view. Then add the widget Post-Processing Chart Plots under Monitor and Results. The first method to create a plot is to pick 2 points on one or more surfaces. Let's do that. Click in the 3D view, select one or more surfaces in the tree, click on Create Chart, located in the toolbar at the lower left corner of the chart window. Then pick 2 points on the surfaces in the view. Click back on the chart window to customize the data and chart options in the Properties panel. After clicking anywhere on the chart plot, you can select the simulations used in the chart. In the Data tab, you can toggle on and off or delete curves that are in the chart. The middle icon selects the probe support for series that have been created in this project. The cutting planes and the assemblies used to create the series will be highlighted in the view. In this tab, you can also select the X and Y quantities to display. In this case, let's select the Z coordinate by filtering by name using the filter on the top right and the velocity magnitude for the Y axis. In the Chart Option tab, you can customize the chart by adding a title and defining the axes labels, ranges, and tick formats. Finally, in the Series Options tab, you can customize the marker and line style for each individual series. You can also click on the eye symbol to hide a series without deleting it. You can keep adding series to the same chart. Let's explore the second method to add data from the intersection of a cutting plane with one or more surfaces. First, let's create a cutting plane that intersects the surfaces in question. Then, select that cutting plane and the surfaces in the tree and click on Add Curve from Cutting Plane Intersection, located in the toolbar at the lower left corner of the chart window. The last option is to add data from a surface border. Let's select one or more surfaces in the tree and click on Add Curve from Border in the toolbar. The quantity is evaluated at the surface borders and added to the plot. Let's change the y-axis quantity to temperature and hide the other two series to better view this latest curve. You can zoom in and out in the plot window by using the middle mouse button, and you can move or dock the legend by left-clicking on it and dragging it. Use the fourth icon in the toolbar to fit the plot axes, and save an image using the third button in the toolbar. The up and down arrows allow you to export or import data from or to the plot. The export icon will export all the series currently showing on the plot as a CSV file, where the first column is the x-axis quantity and the second column is the y-axis quantity. Individual series will be separated in the file by a semicolon. The import icon allows you to import a similarly formatted series. Let's hide one of the series and import the corresponding exported file, then change the marker style to see it better and rename the series. Now you can compare the data with other projects or with experimental data in one convenient chart. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a great Tuesday.